Na-recover. Naagaw nga. And 3 on 3. Side step, please. Yes, sir! Bagat for two tagging. And drive side step to the hoops of the glass. Yes, sir! Barcena. Barcena attacks. Nakalusot. Oh, rejected! The receiver nauna na. And the pass. A deliver and the finish. We are here at NBTC 2025, Pampanga versus Ilocos Sur. And pull up J, first blood for Ilocos. And the high pass. And the fire of the window, Nugget. Rebound dito kay Bondok. Naagaw. Na-recover. Naagaw nga. And 3 on 3. Side step, please. Yes, sir! Bagat for two tie game. Nakuha dito ng Ilocos Sur. Long pass. And nice pass and reverse layup, finish for two. Inbound, now looking for the receiver. And kicks it out. And drive. Inside, floater shot, good. Rebound. And recover for Team Pampanga. Baseline, inside pass, fires. Yes, sir. And 5-4 score natin. The high pass, baseline. Floater shot by Barcena. No good, tips in by Bondok. And here's Team Ilocos Sur, and ball is stolen for Team Kapampangan. And here's on the Harry in fast, libre and easy to Ilocos Sur. Barcena, he crosses over and drives side step to the hoops of the glass. Yes, sir, Barcena. And number 17, natapikan. And the pass. Pull up jumper to free throw area, bullseye. Baseball pass, nauna na, Barcena with a lace, easy bucket. Tied at 11, number 27, bomb. Oy! Grabe yun. Barcena attacks, nakalusot. Oh, rejected! Number 27, 14, Pampanga, bounce pass. Picks, goes to the baseline, pull up jumper. Nugget. Rebound and a putback shot will finish. Get it to go. Ilocos Sur. Tolentino. Kumisigsag. Natapikan ni Stolen. And number 4 to the hoop. Sinausaw. Sinubo sa ring. And Tolentino, the receiver. Nauna na. And the pass. A deliver and a finish. High pass to the top. And ball is stolen. And now, all out Barcena will easy too. And here's Team Pampanga. Goes inside the fires of the window. Bucket for two. Baseball pass now. And Barcena left. Wide open for three. Negid. Binitbit ang taas tumalon nun. And here's Team Pampanga. To the middle. Drives. Pinamekos. Negid. Rebound dito. Fires open look. Bang! 3-point pass. And inside pass. Fix. Clutch. Fire of the window. Bucket for two. Back for Team Pampanga. With little spin. Pass to the wing side. Holds the ball. Back to the middle. Wing side. Corner. Fix. Bump. Baseline. Inside pass. Pick. Fires. Yes, sir. And here's number 6. Straight to the hoops. Kinaliwa pa yan. Lead for Team Pampanga. And now at the wing side. And the pass back to number 11. And he goes to the wings. Will attack. Kicks out to the corner. Fires at 3. In and out. Put back shot of the window. Back and a pass. 2-on-1 ang laban. Lumipad. Pinasa. Face to face lays. In your face. Oh, Barcena. Nakalusot. Drives. Nagmekos reverse lap. Oy! Wala. And here's Team Kapampangan. Pampanga. Corner. Pull up J. Yes, sir. And here's Team Pampanga. Now with the ball number 17 to the middle. He picks. He kicks out. Drives. Extra pass. Spins. Pinasa pa. Ang dami ng pasa. Binato. Rebound pa rin. Ang lupit mo. Pass. Barcena. And the pass and drives to the hoop place. Yes, sir. Na rebound dito. Sa gitna, open floater. Easy to play for Team Pampanga. And the pass to Guevara. Again, goes at the top. Wing side. Another pass to Guevara. He fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Give. And here's Team Ilocos Sur will stop. Pull up J. Yes, sir! Pampangan basketball. He fires at 3. Very good. Rebound Kapampangan pa rin. Tinap board pa. Apakatangkad. Baseball pass. Goes inside. D-bump. Kicks it out. Creates space. To the middle. Fix. Sa gitna. Open na. Fires. Bullseye. Guevara. Pass to the wing side. Sisinyas sa gitna. Sumegway. Stolen hook pass. Inside, lace off the window, yes sir. And here's Team Pampanga, fires too strong. And rebound pa rin sa Pampanga. Sa gitna, another extra pass. Pinabitin po, pinaganda. Inbound now. Looking for the receiver, libre sa loob. The connection. And the pass to the middle. Extra pass. Lace sa bucket. High Jace. Tolentino long pass. And here's Barcena. Behind the back dribble. Cross up. Sumigsa corner. Picks. He dribble. Pull up jumper. Negid. Rebound para sa Team Ilocos Sur. And the fires the lace. Get it to go. Here's Team Ilocos Sur. Behind the back dribble. Zigzagging at the floor. Barcena will receive. Inside box to Kabunak. Post up. Hook shot. Yes sir. Cabon. Here's Barcena. Barcena behind the back. And the high pass inside to Kabunok. He bumped. Lubes layup. Yes sir. Another 2 for Kabunok. Inbound to the wing side. And the pass. Behind the back dribble. Will attack. Will bump. Sa gitna. Floater shot. 4-point lead. And sa gitna. Barcena. Asking for a pick. Pick by Kabunok. Launches on 3. Bang! Dani. Shot clock down to 9. Uy, Kabunok na libre. Gandang deliver. Tie game. And now inbounding. And here's Kabunok with the receive. The pass. Tolentino. Tolentino at the top. And the pass. Will fire. Bang! Another one. Barcena now at the top. Setting the play. Will fire at 3. Negid. And his team. And stolen by Kabunok. And the pass. Drives. Bump. Fires. Basket and 1. Guevara. Pass to number 1. To the middle. Open. Fires at 3. Bang! The Nets. And here's Tolentino. He stops. Dive for the ball. And stolen. And the pass, and the fire. Bucket for 2. And stop. Guevara for 3. Bang! 3 points. And here you go, Team Ilocos Sur. Straight. Reverse tie up to the hoops. No go tips in. Bucket to go. Here's to Team Kapampangan. Pass to the middle. Wing side picks. Bump is spinning. Floater off the window. Bucket for 2. And the pass. Dives. Barcena leads. Short. Follow-up shot. Bucket for 2. And here's Team Pampanga. Number 11, Guevara to the middle. To the wing side. And dribble and pass. Fires at 3. Nugget. Rebound. Pampanga. And the pass. And stolen. Picks. Baseball pass. Oh. Rebound, pinasa. Oh, sinubo sa ring. Here's Team Kapampangan, Pampanga. Wing side for 3. Negate. Rebound para dito. Oh, na-travel. Basket and 1. Basket and 1. And 1 point lead for Kapampangan sa 3. Short. Nakuha dito ngayon ng Ilocos Sur. And the pass. 1 bounce and foul. Rejected. Rebound para sa Pampanga. And recover. And drives. No look pass inside. Reverse layup. Oh, Minekus pa. And here's Barcena. Barcena, iniwan yung guardia. Lace, Nagid. Rebound Pampanga. And the high pass. Mekus, bucket for 2. And stops. He pass. Drives. Flore of the window. Bucket for 2. And the beneath bait. Yes, sir. Of the glass. Ooh. And here's Team Ilocos Sur. Lace. Yes, sir. Straight to the hoops. Baseball pass. And inside pass. Easy bucket. Tin-up board. Hit na left alone. Wide open. Negid. Long pass. Stolen by Barcena. Deep 3. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Ah! He beats at the horn. And pass. 4-3. Bang! 3-point. Bonok. And the pass. Barcena. He bumped. Pinabitin Lace of the Gliss. Yes, sir. Guevara. Pass to the middle. Wing side. Pass it back. Deep 3. Bang! 3-point. And here's Team Ilocos Sur. He kicks out. Drives. Through the hoops of the window. Manny. 5-point lead for Pampanga. And Bacani. Pull up jumper. Gets it to go. And the pass. Kabunok. Fires. Long 2. Negid. High pass. Guevara. One bounce. And natapikan, recover, spinning. Another recover. Sa gitna, floater. Bullseye. And the pass. Here's Kabonok. Recover by Kabonok. High pass. Barcena to the middle. Fix. Pull up J. Na good. And here's Guevara. Straight to the bucket. Yes, sir. Guevara. Team Ilocos Sur. Barcena goes to the screen. Open. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Guevara. To the middle. Pull up J. Negid. Rebound dito para sa Ilocos Sur. Stops. High pass. Ito na ngayon. And Barcena. Cruz. Lace. Bucket. Barcena. Guevara. The pass, wing side, will attack. Inside pass is stolen by Barcena and the high pass. And Tolentino, another extra pass and far off the window, bucket for 2. Now inbounding. Guevara to the top. And Guevara crosses over. Bounce pass to the middle. Lost the ball, natapikan. And recover. High pass sa gitna. And now holds the ball against Tolentino. Between the legs. Will bump, will kicks out. Now lost the ball and pass break. All alone. To the hoops. Easy to Tolentino. And for the inbound. Congratulations.